Car spoilers are a common sight on the roads today, but do you know what they are and how they work? Spoilers are aerodynamic devices designed to spoil unfavorable air movement across a vehicle's body in motion, reducing turbulence and drag. They are often found on race cars and high-performance sports cars, but have become increasingly popular on passenger vehicles too. While some spoilers are added for purely aesthetic purposes, others offer significant aerodynamic benefits. However, it's important to note that spoilers are often confused with automotive wings, which generate downforce as air passes around them, and increase drag rather than reducing it. Spoilers work by changing the airflow at the rear edge of the vehicle, where the shape of the car creates dangerous lift and generates turbulent, low-pressure air pockets behind it. By altering the airflow, spoilers help to reduce drag and increase traction, allowing for faster turns and better handling. It's important to note, however, that spoilers do add drag, which can reduce top speed and acceleration. But at high speeds, they can make all the difference in improving the car's stability and performance. Many people believe that airflow follows the surface contour of a vehicle, but computational fluid dynamics and wind tunnel testing have improved our understanding of airstream behavior, revealing the true benefits of spoilers. In summary, car spoilers are more than just a stylish addition to a vehicle. They offer significant aerodynamic benefits and can improve performance and handling at high speeds. So, the next time you see a car with a spoiler, remember that there's more to it than meets the eye.